distance. There it is. Yep. Elbow control, good elbow control. Pass that by, taco. Take it. Crack that down. Elevate, head up. Iranian. Good. Head up. Good. Drive. Great job. 2-on-1. Drive. Hips. Hands behind the armpit. Hips. Half. Cross face. Hey, hip on top. Hips on top. Hip in him. Cross face that way. Hey, Jacob, get him flat. Which way to get him flat?
Not move for chest. Go hard.
Wait, chop. Follow. Collect that. Power half. Hit it. Keep that half in deep. Hips on top. Look my way. Power half. Yes, push his head down. Settle back. Hands down the armpit. Fix it. Good. Keep him. Marry turn. You're on top. Hold. Hips up. Hold. 2-on-1. Chop. Nope. Chop. Hey. Just wait to break him down first. Take your time. Hey. Spiral right. Give him to his hip. Spiral right. Give him to his hip. Take his time. Where's my hands? Hips up. Keep your hips up. Yes. Hard. Hey, hard. Run it. 2-on-1.
I have a correction on the live stream. If you're going to just punch it into your URL, to search the screen, it's fan.hubble.com.
Hey. Good.
You will search Region High School. And the first one that comes up is the Region Calum Classic Part 1.
Hey, take him down. Wilkinsburg. Take up Wilkinsburg. Then throw the lane. Make him hold your weight first. Then throw the lane. Be patient. Good, Diego. Keep waist sharp. Take your time. Chop. Drive. Chop. Good. Yep. Hips up. Half. Left hand half. Hips. Hip in.
All right, down here on the floor, you guys. On the floor should only be coaches, wrestlers that are coming up, and wrestlers that are either coming up or on deck. Other than that, you should not be out here.
Good. Get him flat. Stop. Good. Flat. 2-on-1. Bar that up. 2-on-1 No legs there. Get on top. Hips up. Hey, get off your side. Head up. Hey, gotta get your head up. Don't go to the back. Head up. Good job.